To mount the canvas on the wall, firstly choose an appropriate wall that's sturdy. Put the accessory kit onto the wall itself to be able to mount it. Make sure this is level with the included spirit level. Mark up where you'd like to drill. Once you've marked up, you can start drilling into the wall itself. Make sure that the screw length matches the drill bit that you're using. Begin drilling into the wall itself. Once you've drilled into the wall, you can begin by putting the wall plugs in. Make sure to use a hammer to push them into the wall itself. And this is where you can begin putting the mount on. There's 4 screws included, so just make sure that 4 screws are put into the wall. This should then make the mount itself sturdy. Just one final check, make sure that it is level before you begin to put the canvas on. Plug the cable into the canvas mount and then put the canvas on the wall. And that's a quick guide on how to mount the canvas.